Change the way you experience food forever with African.Dream foods. Our small batch artisanal hot sauces and spices bring Africa's bold flavors straight to your table. Crafted using all natural ingredients sourced directly from small farms in South Africa, our products are preservative-free, gluten-free, and 100% vegan. The Premier Collection spotlights regional chilies like the African ghost pepper, bird's eye chili, and a bold variety of African-grown habanero. Whether you're craving intense heat or something on the mild side, we make a sauce to elevate any meal into a new and exotic favorite. With African.Dream Foods' range of 8 sauces, 3 spicy salts, and the Safari Smoke seasoning, there's something for every palate.
With starting African.Dream Foods, I wanted to create a product that would introduce people from different parts of the world to the unique flavors of Africa. If you're a hot sauce enthusiast, you gotta try this stuff because it's quite different than anything else you've tried. The flavors of the Ghost Peri Peri, they're sweet, they're savory, they're tangy, they're umami. They got just this full flavor that's one of the best sauces I've ever tried, and I really wanted to have everybody else experience it as well because we have nothing like this in the US. We partner with organizations such as Wild Shots that are making a difference at the grassroots level in Africa.
The current wildlife situation in Africa is critical. It's at a real tipping point. We've got species which, if we don't look after them, we've got areas which, if we don't look after them, they're just going to disappear, and it's going to happen in our lifetime. We can make a difference by supporting those NGOs that are battling to conserve these iconic species. I believe companies like African.Dream Foods, which draw on the power of the consumer to join business and conservation together, can make a lasting impact on wildlife in Africa.
We use wildlife photography on our product labels to bring awareness about the issues facing these incredible animals and to inspire people everywhere to see the beauty in Africa's wildlife. Everyone can play a small part to make a big impact. Would you partner with us to bring great hot sauces and seasonings to the market that support a great mission such as wildlife conservation in Africa?